welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope everyone is having an absolutely amazing day. As you can see from the description below, today we are going to be unboxing our first May subscription. Can you believe it? May already. So this is the paper box. This is the paper box grand, or my paper box grand subscription. I love this box. I unbox it every month for you guys, and it is a personalized stationery subscription, and I think it is so much fun. They do offer two different subscription levels. There is the grand, which is what I have here, that is $28 a month, and you receive cards, notepads, journals, address books. I mean, it's just such a wide variety. There's no telling what you will receive. And then they have a mini, which is $10, and you receive 3 different notepads. And they could be, you know, for a grocery list or a way to keep track of bills, just different things. It's always a great variety. And again, it is personalized as well, which I really love. So I'm seeing like pizza and popcorn and like, I'm not going to show the, well, I can cover it up, like gummy bears and cupcakes, and so I'm definitely thinking that we have some sort of like food theme maybe going on for May here. So let's go ahead and dive in. I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up. Again, this is the My Paper Box Grand, and as you can see, it does have my name because again, it is personalized. So let's get our box cutter here. This really is one of my favorite subscriptions to unbox just because everything is always so darn cute. So I am so excited to see what we got this month. Or well, for May. So when we open it up, it says, "Sending sweet wishes to one of the sweetest persons around." That is so cute. There's always a really cute quote or something right here that is relatable to the theme. So we see the tissue paper, so we'll pull that back. And then this is what we see. So it is full of goodies. So we will just start pulling out and going over everything. So this first thing I'm pulling out says, "Nicki, welcome to May. In honor of Pizza Party Day this month, we took our inspiration from some of our favorite snacks. Enjoy." Oh, this is cute. Okay, so, well, first, there's the cover. Super cute, and it's got, like, a pizza background, like watermark. And inside, it tells you all the different dates for May. So we have May 1st is Batman Day. Awesome. May 4th is Free Comic Book Day. May 4th is also Star Wars Day. May 5th is Cinco de Mayo, as well as Kitty's birthday from Kitty's Boxes. And May 2nd is my birthday, so keep that in mind. May 11th is Twilight Zone Day. May 12th is Mother's Day. May 17th is Pizza Party Day. Awesome. And May 19th is May Ray Day. May 21st, Talk Like Yoda Day. May 26th, World Lindy Hop Day. And then May 27th is Memorial Day. So awesome. This is fantastic to keep track of. Yay, that is so much fun. All right, and then I see one of our notepads, and it is so cute. Again, it has my name here because it is personalized, and it's got little gummy bears. And this is so cute. And they always send a decent amount of sheets. I mean, I don't normally go through the whole notepad every month, or notepads. So I love having these. I love keeping lists, making lists for any and everything. So these really do come in handy. And I have got a stockpile of note cards, notepads, cards for all kinds of occasions, because they send cards that may be blank inside, but one month we got cards that had like a retirement and engagement, anniversary, you know, any occasion, which is fantastic. So then we also have, this is so cute. They send this every month as well with the grand subscription. It is a pop-up calendar, and it has gummy bears on it. So it says Nicki's May, and here it has all of the dates. And then here on the back side, again, it says Nicki's May, but it has all of those dates that I just read to you marked with the specific theme or event or day. So that's a great way to remind yourself as well. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay. Oh, I'm trying to figure out how to show you guys because these are return address labels. They are so cute, but they obviously have my address. So quickly, whoop, there you go. So cute. They're super cute. There are 9 of them. There's different colors. Some have cupcakes, some have gummy bears, some are plain. I'm going to just try and kind of fold this here, cover up my address, and show you like this one here with the gummy bear. So cute. And then here with the cupcakes. Again, just covering my address. But those are so cute. And like I said, you can see there are 9 that are all the fun, pretty shape. These are so cute. I love this. That's one thing I actually don't have is return address labels. So I am very excited to have that. And then these are so precious. We got 2 little mini notepads, again with my name. One has gummy bears and one has cupcakes. And again, this is my birthday month, so cupcakes are appropriate. And then let's see. Oh, there's some more. We have this one here that has little pizza slices. And then this one that has popcorn. Awesome. I love little notepads too. They come in handy a lot. So let's see what else. Yo, oh my goodness. Is this what I think it is? This is so cute. Okay, oh my gosh, this like just made my day. Do you remember back in the day in school? I do not know that they make them anymore. I haven't seen them in years, but I remember having them when I was growing up. I thought it was a pen, gummy bear pen, super cute, but it's not. It is a pencil, and it's the kind where when this runs low, you pop out and then there's a new one. Oh my gosh. Yes. So adorable. I am so tickled over this. This like just made my day, like for real. It's the simple things in life. All right, so then let's get to some cards. They do always include envelopes, and again, they have my name and my address. So we will cover that, but we will pull the cards out and take a look. So we have a card with pizza on it, and it says, "Happy birthday from your home slice, Nicki." That is so cute. I love that. And then a popcorn card that says, "Just popping by to say happy birthday. Let's get this party poppin'. Sincerely, Nicki." You guys, this is so cute. Those are like really fun birthday cards. So I'm going to stick them back in here. Like I said, there are the 2 envelopes already with my address. And then we have, this looks like another, this is a bigger card. This envelope is really cute. It's got pizza all over it, and it has an address thing here, and then pizza on the back. And it says, "How can you tell if you are in love?" They stole a piece of your heart. Y'all. The phrases that they come up with and everything with these cards every month. I just love it. I love it so much. And then our final item this month is, oh, I like this envelope. It's almost like a cardboard, recycled type material card. And another card. And this is me. It says, "I did one of those DNA tests, and it turns out I'm a princess." And then Y'all, oh my gosh, this is so... Oh. Okay. Like, I literally almost just got tears in my eyes. Okay. I did one of those DNA tests, and it turns out I am a princess, which makes you the queen. Happy Mother's Day. Oh, you guys, that is so cute. So see, that's the thing, is they send you cards for different occasions. So we got some birthday cards. We got a Mother's Day card that is super cute. And then we have kind of just a I love you card. And again, all of them come with the envelopes. We have the 4 little mini notepads with my name on them, with like the watermark of gummy bears, pizza, popcorn, and cupcakes. The return address labels that are super adorable. And as always, like I said, with the grand box, we do have our pop-up calendar. Regular side here with the gummy bears, and then the back side, again, is the calendar, but it has the important dates on there. We do have a larger notepad with the gummy bears and my name. And then this here, again, telling us about each of the days. And the cute gummy bear pencil. I love this. I swear this box just gets better and better every month. I think I have said for the last few months, oh, this is my favorite box ever. Oh, this is my favorite one ever. This one, I really do think is my favorite. So again, I will put a link down below for you guys. I do know there is a coupon floating around where if you want to get the gram, like I said, it is normally $28. You can get your first month for like $10. I'll try and find it and put that down below. And then again, they do have the mini subscription that is $10 every month and gives you 3 different notepads. So again, that link will be down below, as well as a link to our 2,000 subscriber giveaway. So if you have not entered, please make sure you do so. If you are new, please consider hitting subscribe. We would love to have you. As always, give the video a thumbs up. It does help me out. And let me know what you guys thought of this unboxing and these cards and just everything in here. I thought it was so cute. I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you guys with the next one. Bye.